Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to see card number on Amazon. This is particularly useful when you need to verify which card you have on file or check your payment details without having to dig through your wallet. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. After logging in, you'll be taken to the Amazon homepage where you can access all your account settings and payment information. Now direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see Account and Lists in the menu bar. Hover your mouse over this option and a drop-down menu will appear with various account-related options. From this menu, click on Account. This will take you to your main account settings page where you can manage everything from your orders to your payment methods. On the Account page, look for the option that says Your Payments and click on it. This section is specifically designed for managing all your payment methods, including credit cards, debit cards, and other payment options you may have saved to your Amazon account. It's your central hub for viewing and editing how you pay for purchases on Amazon. Once you're in the Your Payments section, you'll see a list of all the payment methods currently saved to your account. Select the specific card you want to view by clicking on it. When you do this, Amazon will display the available details for that card. You'll be able to see information such as the last 4 digits of the card number, the card type, whether it's a Visa, MasterCard, or another brand, the expiration date, and the billing address associated with that card. This gives you a quick overview of your payment method without exposing the full card number for security reasons. And there you have it. You've now accessed your saved card details on Amazon and can verify the information you need. This process helps you keep track of which cards you have on file and ensures your payment information is up to date. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.